In this video, I am going to introduce the basic features of PowerPoint to you, including the Quick Access Toolbar, Command Tab, Thumbnail, Placeholder, Slide Pane, Zoom Slider as well as Views buttons. So, let me start by introducing the Quick Access Toolbar. Click this and you can save your file, or you can use the Ctrl+S button to save your PowerPoint. The Undo button and the Repeat Typing button are next to the Save button. For the Command tab, you can see many commands there, like Insert, Design, Transition, etc., and we will introduce them in other videos later. The Thumbnail allows you to quickly view the miniature versions of your slides and help you locate a particular slide. And in the Slide pane, you can see the placeholders that allow you to type some text there. For example, I type animals in the placeholders in the next slide. Then, for the Views buttons, we have 4 options. For the first one, it is the normal view and it is a default node here. The next one is the Slide Sorter. When you have many slides and you want to search for a particular slide, you can use it to help. It also gives you an overall picture and allow you to reorganize your slide easily. For example, now I will add a couple of slides here. And then, I click the Slide Shorter button, and try to reorganize the slides easier by swapping them. The next one is the Reading view. You can have a quick look at your slides in full screen. You will have a status bar at the bottom to read the slide number. Finally, it is Slide View, which is for your presentation. The presentation is shown in the full screen view. You can also click the Shift plus F5 button. They work in the same way. If you only click the F5 button, the presentation will start from the beginning, while the Shift plus F5 button will allow you to jump right into the show at the current slide. This means you can select a particular slide and start there. To end the slide view, you can simply click the Escape button. This is the end of the video. In the next video, I will introduce how to edit the text. Thanks for watching.